Hi, Rob Parker from Peach Software. Today's video is on custom templates. Custom templates are a list of parts and lines, perhaps labor lines, that you may want to use over and over again. So if you wanted to save a list of products and you're going to invoice that same list over and over again, then you would save them as a standard template or custom template. So I'm going to show you how that works. So first of all, let me show you where to find the custom template setup and how to set one up. So if you go to the task menu down here, and then you go to setup, it's in the setup tab, and you'll find custom templates. So I've got a few templates set up, but I'm going to give you a few details about when you're setting up a new one. Some of these templates, by the way, have just a list of part numbers, quantity and pricing, and some of them will have part number, quantity, pricing, but also some labor lines. So if you're using custom templates to come into a workshop job card, for example, these will come in on the parts side and these will come in on the labor side. So that's what happens there. If you want to set up a new template, then basically just go to add, and what I'll do is I'll just type in new template, and then while I'm focused on that line, I can add the parts. So I need to make sure that while I'm doing this, I'm focused on that line. If I'm focused on this line, it will add more parts to that line. So make sure you're there, add the parts, and I can put, let's say, my favorite Z9 on there, and that'll become part of that new template. So I'll just go OK, and that's now saved. The other thing you can do in custom templates, which is a new feature, is you can clone them. So if you want to clone a template and then perhaps make some slight changes to it, clone and then from, so you're going to clone from which template, or we'll do it from the panel beading template, and we'll call it a new and clone in this case, and then OK. And so now you've got new clone, which is a copy of the panel beading template at this point in time. But then you can go ahead and you can edit that new template as you wish to do. So where can you use custom templates? Well, they're useful in invoicing screen, of course, customer order, point of sale, and a workshop job card, even a quotation. So I'll just show you how to use one. So let's go to a customer order quickly, and we'll put in the customer. There's our customer. And now to get the template up, all we need to do is put a / and that will trigger the template page. So if I hit enter, there's our custom template page. We click the template we want to bring in and press OK. So now if I wanted to bring up a specific template and not go to the search screen, because I might have quite a few templates, I can put in the name of the template. So this one's brakes. So I'll just bring that in. And if I want to put in a new one, but I want to bring in specifically the brakes template, / brakes, and that will just bring that template in. So here you can see that I've brought in the line of the parts and then also the labor line. So if you carry through with this transaction as an invoice, then those 3 lines will go through as labor once you've put in the pricing. If you're doing a workshop job card, it works a little differently. Let me show you that. So again, if I want to bring the templates in here, at the moment I'm on the service page. I go to the parts page, put in my / brakes, enter. That brings the parts onto the parts form and the service lines onto here. So that way, once you've booked the car in for a particular type of service, you can have that template come in, and it'll set up your mechanic so he can go through that template and tick off things that he's done. But again, you can add more, you can delete it, you can edit it on the fly, so it's very handy. So that's custom templates for you. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please call support. Thank you.